Hello everybody, my name is Junu and I am a student of Kathmandu Montessori Training Center. Today I am going to sing rhymes of phonetic sound. Ants on the apple, ants on the apple, ah ah ah, ah ah ah, ah is the sound of A. Balls are bouncing, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. Ba is the sound of B. Caterpillar coughing, k is the sound of C. Dolls are dancing, da 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 is the sound of D. Elegant elephant, A is the sound of E. Five flamingos, is the sound of F. Goats are giggling, ga 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 is the sound of G. Helicopters hovering, is the sound of H. Ink in a ink pot, E is the sound of I. Jelly beans jumping, ja is the sound of J. Kinky taketo, ka is the sound of K. Lions licking lollipop, is the sound of L. Monkeys are munching, is the sound of M. Knots in a nutshell, is the sound of N. Orange octopus, is the sound of O. Popcorns are popping, is the sound of P. Queens waiting quietly, qua is the sound of Q. Rats are running, is the sound of R. Sausages are sizzling, is the sound of S. Tigers on a tip-top, ta is the sound of T. Up umbrellas, is the sound of U. Violent volcanoes, ba is the sound of V. Wibble wobble walrus, wa is the sound of W. Fox in a box, is the sound of X. Yaks are yawning, ya is the sound of Y. Zigzag zebra, z is the sound of Z.